Hi folks, it's Daniel here at Sussex Campervans with an important update about the new Kia Campervan we've released. It's been going ever so well, orders have been really buoyant, we've managed to secure a bit more stock from Kia, but there's something else really important I need to tell you. The price, the launch pricing at £68,995, complete with all the trimmings and 7-year warranty from Kia and from us. That launch pricing is based on some government funding, which is up for review end of the financial year, 31st of March, that's this Tuesday. Now, it's very hard to predict what the government are going to do, but there's every chance they'll pull that funding, so the price will go up by £5,000. It's quite a big difference. So our launch pricing holds until lunchtime on Tuesday. I'm then going to approach Kia, put in all the orders for the remaining vehicles which people have committed to, and that way you're guaranteed 68,995 for an all-new Kia camper built by Sussex Campervans with a 7-year warranty. Now, some people are saying, I'd like to see some more details, I'd like to see the actual vehicle. I'm going to do a webinar on Monday evening, 6 p.m. Be there or be somewhere else. I'm going to reveal all the details, all the questions that have been getting asked over the weeks and months. Lots of people have bought them already, but some people have said, I'd like to see some more, I'd like some more detail, I'd like to see some pictures, I'd like to see a video before I commit. Completely understand that, maybe I'd even be the same. So that's what we're going to do on Monday night, 6 p.m, the 30th of March. There will be a chance at the end of that webinar to commit to a vehicle on the night if you want. We'll just ask you for £1,000 on a debit or credit card, which is non-refundable, and that will now lock you in to a Kia order, which I will then place on the Tuesday, and you will be guaranteed a vehicle. When will delivery be? Well, we're getting on well in the workshop. We're still looking at pre-summer delivery for orders placed on Monday and Tuesday. But by the close of play on Tuesday, we'll see what the government have said, but it may well be that the price is going to jump up. The other thing is Kia availability. I've committed a lot of money to forward ordering so that we have got vehicles to offer. And if you're on any of the Kia Facebook groups and things, you will see people are getting their orders bumped. They're not getting vehicles for months and months. So we have got some more supply available. I've got another allocation, and I'm going to put in further orders based on what people say they want on Monday night. So be there Monday 6 p.m. I'm going to send you a message with a link to the webinar, but make sure you're there, because if you're not there you won't get to see the big reveal and you won't get the chance to put that order in. Any questions? Feel free to WhatsApp or email in. Love to chat to you in advance of then. I'll be fielding messages over the weekend, so click the link and do that, and look forward to seeing you on Monday, and look forward to getting you into a Sussex Campervan in 2026. Speak soon.